First, prepare a salmon and remove the fins and any other unnecessary parts. Add scallion, ginger, and salt to water. Squeeze scallions to release juice. No cooking wine needed. Easily removes fishy smell. Place the scored salmon in the bowl and soak to remove odor for at least 30 minutes. Line plate bottom with ginger slices, place salmon on top, stuff ginger slices inside, and cover with plastic wrap. Microwave on high for 5 minutes. When the time is up, take it out and remove the ginger slices. Be sure to pour out the juice that was released during steaming, add chopped scallion and shredded ginger, drizzle with oil, and microwave on high for 30 seconds. Place the fried scallions and ginger on top of the fish. Pour hot oil over them, and drizzle steamed fish soy sauce along both sides of the fish. The fish is tender, juicy, and free of any fishy smell. It's delicious when dipped in steamed fish soy sauce. It's simple and quick. Go give it a try.